These babies are 4 weeks old today, having a sphynx babies. It's a beautiful passion. They are so sweet kittens. And today we are going to talk about first first time feeding babies, as they were always on mother's milk. They should have hard gums and they start getting their own teeth. So we are going to feed them with a cat's food for the first time. So let's have a kitten and start feeding this kind of food. It's like a paste. They're going to have a meal for the first time. So let's have a little bit on a finger. And let them smell first. It's not easy, but this is the way you have to introduce the kitten's food. So once they taste, they should be able to eat. Oh, you can see that. So he start eating on his own now. It looks like he likes it. Yeah, it looks like he enjoy it. Something different than the mother's milk. So this is the way we introduce the different food. Yeah, sweet little sphynx baby. Oh, he likes it. He really likes it. It's very nice experience to raise a sphynx kittens, and you need a little bit of knowledge of how to do it, and always do a little bit research before you start doing it, as it's not so easy. But he definitely enjoy a different kind of food. Anyway, kittens at four weeks old, they start being stronger, and they start running around. Maybe let's have another kitten and let him taste a different food. So a little bit food on the finger first, and let him smell it. Let him smell it and let him taste it just on the finger. So he start licking the finger. It looks like he likes it. Maybe he can have a go now. Oh yeah, another one. It looks like he likes it. Yeah, at 4 weeks old, and this is a completely different experience of different kind of food for small babies. Looks like he's interested. He's not so keen like the other one, but he likes it, and looks like the smell of the new food is alright for him. But not this time, maybe. A beautiful boy. Show me your face. Beautiful. When you watched the other videos, when they were younger, they looked, their ears, they were still a lot smaller according to the age. Their ears rising up, and they start looking like a vampire. Maybe let's have a go on the other one. Put the other one back and see if this one wants some different kind of food. This is a girl. Oh yeah, she definitely wants it. Mmm, smells so good. Yeah, she enjoyed it. Yeah, she enjoyed it a lot. Mmm, tastes so good. sweet little baby. Let's have a go with another one. Oh yeah. Start licking the finger, this is a good sign. You want some more? Oh yeah, definitely. Definitely want some more. Yeah, and this is another Sphynx baby girl. Looks like she enjoyed it as well. That noise in the background is a mom. She's on the other side of the doors and she's trying to get in. Yeah, this is it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching. See you next time. I'm going to upload you with some more videos.